Hi people, hope you are very good for today and welcome to a new interactive English class. Let's go! Unit number 2. Let's take care of your body. This section is called This is my friend's birthday. Hi everybody. This is my fridge. Tonight, it's my friend's birthday, and we are preparing lots of things. So, in my fridge, there are some tomatoes, carrots, and onions, and there is some pasta, because my friend likes eating spaghetti. There is also some chicken. There isn't any pizza because he doesn't like it. For dessert, there is some fruits. There are some grapes, some bananas, and there is a melon. Maybe we can make fruit salad. And to drink, there is some orange juice and some soda. Of course, there is some ice cream, and there is an apple pie, which is my friend's favorite dessert. For me. Okay guys, I hope you get ready to work this new take out. Okay, I see you for the next time. I'll see you there.
Created using Powtoon.